Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Razer model and whether firmware is outdated, because drivers often cause mute or low gain issues. Once done, plug the headset into both a PC and a phone to isolate hardware versus software faults. If it works on one device, the issue is software. Next, inspect physical controls: inline mute, boom swivel, and connector pins. Make sure cables are fully seated. A loose TRRS, or USB-C connection, frequently produces intermittent mic audio. Now focus on drivers and settings. Open Razer Synapse, update firmware, and reinstall the audio device if necessary, because corrupted drivers block the mic. Once complete, set the headset mic as the default input in your OS and raise the input gain slowly while watching levels. Too high creates clipping, too low sounds distant. Also disable software enhancements or exclusive mode. These can hijack the stream. Finally, verify in a separate app like Voice Recorder to confirm consistent capture. Finish by ruling out remaining hardware faults. Check the boom joint for damaged wires and wiggle the cable while recording to locate breaks. Replace the detachable boom or cable if available. If using analog port, try a USB audio adapter or another cable to bypass a faulty jack. Once swapped, record a test, join a live call, and tweak the noise gate so your voice stays natural. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: try the headset on a different OS to confirm whether the issue is internal hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.